This is Toshiba 3TB USB 3 hard drive, the Canvio Basics. This is a part of the Amazon choice. It's on Prime. Here you have the Canvio Basics branding. Couple of barcodes of the product, serial number and stuff. And this is what includes a hard drive, a USB cable, and a manual. At the back you have the basic information. You have the basic information and the requirements and stuff. And at the top you have the again the details. So let's go ahead and unbox the box. Yeah, this is something that I tried to unbox earlier, so you have a little dent over there. Anywho, let's stick in. Yeah. So all about these are the contents, and these are the warranty statement. Then you have a manual in different languages, a couple of QR codes, I believe, to download the app. Let's check. Let's see. Yeah. So let's just keep this aside. So other than that, you have the 2.5-inch Toshiba hard drive. It's got a super speed USB 3 port, Toshiba branding, and LED light over here, and that's it. And you have the serial number and stuff, product number, serial number. Fairly decent, not very heavy. Apart from that, you have this cable. This is a USB 3 cable, as you can see. Super speed port. So this requires a USB 3, but it will also work with USB 2. So that's it for the unboxing, and thank you for watching. Bye.